Welcome. This is Professor Christopher. To pronounce Microsoft, you can break it down into two parts, micro and soft. Micro is pronounced as micro, with the stress on the first syllable. It rhymes with I and cry. The I is pronounced as a long I sound, like the I in bike or kite. Soft is pronounced as soft, with the stress on the second syllable. It rhymes with off and loft. The O is pronounced as a short O sound, like the O in hot or pot. When you put the two parts together, you get Microsoft, with the primary stress on the second syllable, soft. So, the complete pronunciation is Microsoft. Remember to speak the syllables smoothly and not to pause between them. Like, share and subscribe.